Today we're going to learn about division stories. This is Everyday Math Lesson 6.10, and these stories are all about sharing things, equal sharing or equal grouping stories. For example, you sometimes might want to share a six-pack of Coke, or maybe you have multiple six-packs and you want to share it with somebody else. For example, I might have a six-pack of Coke and then I have 3 friends join me. So I'd want to know how many cans of Coke would each friend get. And the way I could do that is to distribute it equally between each of the friends. So each one gets 1 and then each one gets another can of Coke until I've used them all up. And you see that I have 6 cans divided for 2 for each friend. 2 for this friend, 2 for this friend, and 2 for this friend. Here's another example. Say we have 3 friends getting together to read books together, and they have 10 books between them to share. How many books would each person get to read? So if we organize ourselves and we put it out together, we get 1 for each person. And then there is 1 remainder. So each child gets 3 books, each friend gets 3 books, and then there's 1 left over that everybody could share. That's called the remainder. In this example, we can figure out how many floors a building has if we know some of the information. For example, if a building has 30 windows and we know that there are 6 windows on each floor, we can figure out how many windows the entire building has. So we start by drawing our windows in the story. There I have the windows for 1 floor, and then I can continue to make windows for the rest of the stories until I get 30 windows and figure out how many floors I have. Now that I've created all my windows, and I know there are 6 windows on each floor, and there are 30 windows total, I can figure out how many floors there are in this building. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another way to look at it is, if I had 24 students who want to play ball, how many teams can I make with 5 children on each team? I could divide everyone into equal groups, and then figure out how many on each team. There's 1 team. Here's a second team. 5. Now I have 20 students in 4 teams, but I said that I had 24 total, so I need to figure out that there's going to be 4 extra students who are not on a team, so 4 remaining. So we use equal sharing to figure out how many items something can be given based on a larger group of items. So if I have cookies that I want to share between 4 friends, I can divide and share the cookies evenly with each of them. And in this case, each person would get 2 cookies and we'd have 2 cookies remaining. Thanks for watching.